Hey everybody, it's Jamie from Plum Island Sea Cabin, and today I'm going to tell you guys the secret to keeping your sea glass magical and looking amazing. Let's go. So when I find my sea glass, it generally looks like this. It just looks really gorgeous. But then it dries and it looks like this. And I don't like this. But I have a secret to bringing it back. Want to know what it is? It's something that you can pick up at like the nearest pharmacy or local grocery store. It's as easy as mineral oil. And I'm not specific to any brand. I just buy whichever one is on the shelf. They all work great. So check it out. Here's a before. And here's an after. It seriously makes me so happy that it's that easy. And once you're done rubbing all the oil on it, it's gonna maintain that gorgeous, just found oceany look. You're gonna love it. So I hope you found that tip valuable, and I hope your sea glass looks nice and shiny and bright. Thanks for watching.